And my trusty rope. Had it tied about halfway up that fucking dead tree, right next to the cabin, right next to my boat, right next to my fucking woodshed, and it worked perfect. Pulled it down exactly where I wanted to. I didn't even bother cutting a notch. I just cut on a little bit of an angle with this fucking handsaw. Nice and quiet. It's an acoustic saw. That's what it is. It's October 11th, October 12th. I don't know. Fuck, days go by awful quick up here. I gotta go into town. I'm hungry. And I need ice for my cooler. But that's just one of the projects that I've done this morning.